Good morning. Welcome to Calm English Listening. This is a quiet place where you can improve your English simply by listening. No pressure, no studying, just calm listening practice. In today's episode, we are going to take a moment to settle in. Maybe you are just waking up. Maybe you are preparing for the day. Or maybe you simply want a calm moment before everything begins. Wherever you are, let this moment be simple. Take one slow breath and let the day begin gently. Morning has a special kind of silence. It is different from the silence of night. Morning silence feels open. The world is slowly waking up. The streets are quieter. The light is softer. The day has not fully started yet. There is a feeling that anything could happen. And in this early moment, there is space. Space to breathe. Space to think. Space to simply exist before the world becomes busy. Many people move quickly in the morning. They rush out of bed. They check their phone immediately. Messages, news, notifications. The mind becomes busy very fast. But mornings can begin in another way. A slower way. A calmer way. A more intentional way. Instead of rushing into the day, you can arrive in the day, gently. Pause for a moment and ask yourself, how do I usually begin my mornings? Do they start with calm or with urgency? There is no right or wrong answer. Just notice. Because awareness is always the first step toward change. Every morning is a small new beginning. Yesterday is finished. Whatever happened yesterday, successes, mistakes, conversations, worries, they are part of the past now. Today is something new, and this is one of the quiet gifts of morning. You do not have to carry everything from yesterday. You can begin again. Not perfectly, but freshly. Think about that idea for a moment. What kind of day would you like today to be? What small intention would you like to carry into this day? It is good to give yourself a moment to reflect. Maybe today could be a calm day. Maybe today could be a curious day. Maybe today could simply be a day where you move forward, step by step. You do not have to solve everything today. You only need to begin. And beginnings do not need to be dramatic. Sometimes the best beginnings are quiet. A breath, a thought, a small intention. Morning also carries a kind of energy. Your mind is often clearer after sleep. Your thoughts can feel lighter. Your attention is fresh. This is a wonderful moment for learning, for curiosity, for noticing new ideas. That is one reason listening to English in the morning can be powerful. Your brain is relaxed but awake. You are not forcing yourself to study. You are simply letting the language enter your mind naturally. And this is how language slowly becomes familiar, word by word, sound by sound, listening by listening. You may not notice progress immediately. but your brain is learning. Every time you listen, your brain becomes more comfortable with the rhythm of English. The sounds start to feel natural. Sentences become easier to understand. Confidence grows quietly. Learning a language is not about sudden transformation. It is about gentle repetition, small steps, consistent moments, just like this one. The beginning of the day is also a moment to choose direction. Not a detailed plan, just a direction. You might ask yourself a simple question. What matters most today? Maybe it is finishing an important task. Maybe it is having a meaningful conversation. Maybe it is simply staying calm in a busy day. When you choose a direction in the morning, your mind becomes clearer. You are not just reacting to the day. You are participating in it. Imagine the day like a path. You are standing at the beginning. You cannot see every step, but you can take the first one, then the second, then the next. Step by step, the path becomes visible. Many people believe that big changes happen through big actions, but often, real change happens through small daily moments. A short walk, a kind word, a new idea, a calm breath before reacting. Even listening to English for a few minutes each morning can slowly transform your understanding. Small habits shape our lives more than dramatic decisions. Morning routines are powerful because they repeat. Day after day, week after week, month after month. Imagine where you might be in 6 months if you continue listening calmly like this. Your understanding will grow. Your comfort with English will grow. And maybe your mornings will feel different too. More peaceful, more intentional, more yours. Now the day is slowly beginning. The world outside will soon become louder. Schedules will start. People will move faster. But you began your day differently. You began with awareness, with calm, with listening. And this calm can travel with you. Through conversations, through work, through unexpected moments. Whenever the day becomes busy, you can remember this feeling. A slow breath, a quiet mind, a steady step forward. Before we finish, take one more moment. Ask yourself, how would I like to move through today? With patience? With curiosity? With confidence? Whatever your answer is, carry it with you. The day is beginning. Step into it calmly and let it unfold. Thank you for listening to Calm English Listening, a place to improve your English through calm, thoughtful listening. If you enjoyed this moment, you can return later to our channel to listen to another quiet episode. Until then, have a calm morning and enjoy the day ahead.